Welcome back to Tupperberry Art. I'm Kimberly Tupper. Today we are drawing a haunted house for our Halloween edition. First thing you want to do is draw a curved line. This is the ground. From there we're ready to draw the house. So one line on the left, draw that off on an angle, and then on the right, bring it up to the same height and the same angle, just to make it a little more playful. Drawing the roof, do the same thing. Curve that line inward on the right and the left, and then maybe a little curved top for the very top of the roof. And now it's for the step. So pay attention. I have two lines, they angle out. Connect those lines with a curve. But these next lines, you have to realize, are just straight up and down. This is the riser. So what I've done is drawn two parallel lines, but on the sides of them, it's a straight up and down. So now you know what to do. You can do this again. Two angled lines, meet those together, parallel with the line above it. Two lines straight up and down, the risers, and another parallel line, which makes your step up. And now it's time for the door. So you're going to draw two lines as well, the sides of the door, and make sure those are the same angle as the side of the house. Draw the top of it, and we've got ourselves an entrance. Let's draw a window up in the roof. So draw a circle, and instead of just drawing a cross, we're going to actually make that a cooler looking window. So we've got sides to that trim. So you can see my example there. That's the kind of window we want to shoot for. Remember to pause this video at any time to work at your own pace. Now we're going to skip back down to the awning, the overhang above the door. As you can see, this shape is very similar to the roof. It's just a smaller version, and the sides of it curve in like the roof as well. We can add some quick posts, which are the supports on either side of the awning. Notice I have mine tilting the same angles as the side of the house. You can give that a little bit of dimension by adding in an extra line or shading on the inside of the post that's closest to the door. This will help the posts look like they're popping out a little bit more. And now for the rooftop. A lot of haunted houses have what looks like a little bit of a fence at the top. So you can see I'm drawing quickly a bunch of rectangles. Right now they just look like teeth, so we gotta make it look like a fence. Add that line behind the posts. Notice I have two parallel lines going again. Gives me the look of the fence. Want the challenge of adding dimension? Think of a line down the middle. Every post that is closest to the center line will get a side to it. That's how you know which post you can see two sides from. Add that darker line and it will help your fence pop out of the page. Time for the door. So draw a line down the middle. You can draw whatever design you want. I drew squares inside, making sure my angles match the side of the doors. And then, just like the old-fashioned houses, those door knocks that are right in the middle, it's a square in a circle. Let's finish up with some fun details like in the roof. This is like a scallop. Notice how every point comes right in the middle of the half circle. This is how you can create a nice even roof. I added a few more lines over the awning. Little details like this make big impacts. And now we're ready to color. So remember to blend on top of each other. Get rid of that white space behind. Hold your pencil on its side if you're using colored pencil so you get a nice smooth finish. If you want to put a moon in, you can always draw that circle first so you make sure that you don't color it in. And notice in my shading, I don't just have one color of brown. I will use multiple colors. This will help your images pop and look way cooler. I drew in a few extra things like a tombstone and trees, bats, birds. So if you want to learn how to draw any of those, stay tuned for some more videos as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come do more videos with me.